Aries, December 2024 is set to be a transformative month for you, brimming with opportunities and pivotal moments. Before we delve into the specifics, I kindly ask you to like this video. Your support is invaluable and enables us to continue creating content that guides you through life's cosmic journey. Also, share your deepest desires for 2025 in the comments below. Together, we can manifest your dreams into reality. Now, let's explore the key areas that will shape your December. This month, it's crucial to prioritize your well-being. With Mars retrograde in Leo from December 8th, you might experience fluctuations in energy levels. Engaging in regular physical activity and maintaining a balanced diet will help sustain your vitality. Be mindful of stress, as Mercury's retrograde in Sagittarius until December 15th can lead to mental strain. Incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation or yoga can provide the necessary balance. The Sun's transit through Sagittarius until December 21st illuminates your sector of expansion and higher learning. This is an ideal time to pursue new skills or knowledge that can enhance your professional trajectory. However, with Mercury retrograde affecting communication, exercise caution in your interactions and double-check all correspondences to avoid misunderstandings. After December 15th, clarity returns, making it an opportune time to implement new ideas and projects. Venus enters Aquarius on December 8th, positively influencing your financial sector. This alignment may present unexpected opportunities for financial growth, particularly through innovative ventures or collaborations. Nonetheless, remain prudent in your spending, especially during the holiday season, to maintain financial stability. The new moon in Sagittarius on December 1st offers a fresh start in your romantic life. For those in relationships, it's a favorable period to deepen your connection through shared adventures or learning experiences. Singles may find new prospects by stepping out of their comfort zones and embracing new social circles. Open communication is key, particularly after Mercury goes direct on December 15th, facilitating clearer expressions of affection and intent. As December unfolds, embrace the changes and opportunities it brings. Stay proactive in your health, be meticulous in your professional communications, manage your finances wisely, and keep your heart open to love. Remember, the cosmos supports those who take conscious steps towards growth and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive astrological insights. Wishing you a harmonious and prosperous December.